The particular issue that led to the institution of this suit was when it was brought to the attention of the NGO, the fact that the Rivers State House of Assembly had passed a law, an amendment known as the Rivers State House of Assembly Service Amendment Law number 3 of 2024, which purported to give the Speaker of the House of Assembly the power to appoint the chairman and members of the Rivers State House of Assembly Commission. Now, what it did was it amended the previous law, which provided that the governor had the power to appoint the chairman and members of the Rivers State House of Assembly Commission. What needs to be understood is that this power of the governor was not just appropriated by the governor to himself, it was provided for in the Constitution, as you will see in the judgments, Section 5, Section 176, Section 197, and Section 198, that the chief executive, or the governor and the chief executive officer of the state, has the power to appoint the chairman and members of state bodies. What the amendment sought to do was to take away that power of the governor and give it to the legislature. In the Constitution, there's a clear separation of powers. The legislature, you make the laws. The executive, you enforce these laws. So there was our contention before the court was that there was no way the legislature could have taken away the governor's power to appoint and give it to the speaker. And rightly, the court has held that Section 3 of the Rivers State House of Assembly Service Commission Amendment Law, which sought to take away the appointing power of the governor and give it to the speaker, is unconstitutional, and as such, it has been struck out. It's null and void to the extent of its inconsistency. Well, it's a victory for the rule of law. It's a victory for good governance. So on our part, my team and everybody were actually very happy that the court, you will see how long it took. The court took its time from the beginning to assess and evaluate the evidence and has come to this very good judgment. So we should pray that the governor of the state, being the defender, though they also filed their processes, we hope that they were able to comply with the provisions of this constitution and the judgment of court.